Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we will demonstrate how to use ShellGPT for host discovery. We will walk you through two examples. Let's begin with the first example, which is scanning the target network for active hosts. Start by opening the terminal in your Kali Linux environment. Now, type the following command: SGPT --chat scan --shell. After that, enter the prompt in double quotes. Scan the target network 10.0.2.15/255 for active hosts and place only the IP addresses into a file scan1.txt. Press enter, type capital E when prompted, and then press enter. You'll see that the output has been saved in the file scan1.txt. To view the contents of this file, type catscan1.txt, then press enter. Here, 10.0.2.2, 10.0.2.3, 10.0.2.15 are three IP addresses identified during the scan of the 10.0.2.15/255 network. Now, moving on to the second example, we will perform a comprehensive nmap scan against the IPs discovered in scan1.txt. To do this, again, use the command SGPT --chat scan --shell and enter the prompt in double quotes. Run a fast, comprehensive nmap scan against scan1.txt and write the results to scan2.txt. Hit enter. Type capital E when prompted and press enter. The scan results will be displayed on the screen and saved to scan2.txt. To verify, use clear command to clear the terminal screen, and then check the contents of the output file using catscan2.txt. Press enter. Now, let's analyze the results. For the host 10.0.2.2, the scan shows that port 135 is open and running the MSRPC service. Port 445 is also open and used by Microsoft ES. For the host 10.0.2.3, port 53 is open and is used for the domain name system service. For the host 10.0.2.15, all 100 scan ports are ignored, meaning no open ports were found. This is how ShellGPT can be used effectively for host discovery using Nmap.